You're sitting in a crowded conference room, listening to yet another presentation filled with dry facts and bullet points. Your mind starts to wander, and before you know it, you've tuned out completely. Sound familiar? If so, you're not alone. The truth is, traditional presentations often fail to capture our attention and leave a lasting impact. But what if there was a way to change that? What if you could learn to weave compelling stories into your presentations, captivating your audience from start to finish? That's exactly what we're here to explore today, the power of storytelling and how you can use it to elevate your presentations for maximum engagement. So, if you're ready to learn how to transform your next presentation from forgettable to unforgettable, then stick around because you won't want to miss this. Whether you're pitching a project, delivering a keynote, or leading a workshop, the ability to weave a compelling narrative can make all the difference in capturing your audience's attention and leaving a lasting impact. Let's start by discussing why storytelling is so crucial in the realm of presentations. Humans are inherently wired to connect with stories. From the time we're children, we're captivated by tales that transport us to different worlds, evoke emotions, and teach valuable lessons. When you incorporate storytelling into your presentations, you tap into this innate aspect of human psychology, making your message more relatable, memorable, and persuasive. Knowing the main point, the ending, means understanding that every single thing you say, from the start to the finish, is leading to one big idea. That big idea should help us learn something important about who we are as people. We all love stories. They're a part of us. Stories show us who we are. We all want to feel like our lives matter, and nothing does that better than when we connect through stories. Stories can go through time, past, present, and future, and let us see how we're alike with others, whether they're real or made up. Think about some of the most memorable speeches or presentations you've experienced. Chances are they weren't just a string of facts and figures. They were narratives that painted a vivid picture, drew you in emotionally, and left you thinking long after the presentation ended. By harnessing the power of storytelling, you can elevate your presentations from mundane to memorable. So what does effective storytelling look like in the context of presentations? Let's break it down into a few key elements. The hook. Just like a great book or movie, your presentation needs a strong hook to grab your audience's attention from the outset. This could be a compelling anecdote, a thought-provoking question, or a startling statistic, anything that piques curiosity and makes your audience eager to hear more. Character development. Every good story has characters that the audience can connect with. In your presentation, you can use this concept by incorporating relatable characters. Whether they're real people, fictional personas, or even archetypes that represent your audience's struggles, aspirations, or fears. Conflict and resolution. A story without conflict is like a roller coaster without hills. It lacks excitement and tension. In your presentation, identify the central conflict or challenge that your audience is facing, and show them how your message offers a resolution or a path forward. Emotional appeal. Emotions are a powerful tool for engaging your audience and making your message resonate on a deeper level. Whether it's humor, empathy, inspiration, or awe, infuse your storytelling with emotion to create a stronger connection with your audience. Clear message. Finally, every story needs a clear message or moral. In your presentation, ensure that your storytelling serves a purpose, to illustrate a point, drive home a key idea, or inspire action. Your audience should come away from your presentation not only entertained, but also informed and motivated. Now that we've covered the importance of storytelling and the key elements of effective storytelling, let's talk about how you can incorporate storytelling into your own presentations for maximum engagement. Know your audience. Before you even start crafting your presentation, take the time to understand your audience, who they are, what they care about, and what challenges they're facing. Tailor your storytelling to resonate with their experiences and interests. Start strong. As we mentioned earlier, the opening of your presentation is crucial for capturing your audience's attention. Use a powerful hook to draw them in right from the beginning, whether it's a compelling story, a surprising fact, or a provocative question. Use visuals wisely. Visual aids can enhance your storytelling by providing context, evoking emotions, and reinforcing key points. Whether you use slides, videos, or props, make sure they complement your narrative rather than detract from it. Practice, practice, practice. The key to delivering a great story is practice. Rehearse your presentation multiple times to ensure that your storytelling flows smoothly, your timing is on point, and your delivery is confident and engaging. Solicit feedback. Finally, don't be afraid to seek feedback from others. Ask trusted colleagues, friends, or mentors to review your presentation and provide constructive criticism. Their insights can help you fine-tune your storytelling and make your presentation even more impactful. In conclusion, storytelling is a powerful tool for enhancing your presentations and engaging your audience on a deeper level. By incorporating elements of effective storytelling, such as a strong hook, relatable characters, emotional appeal, and a clear message, you can captivate your audience, make your message more memorable, and ultimately achieve your presentation goals. So, the next time you're preparing to speak in front of an audience, remember the power of storytelling and watch as your presentations come to life in ways you never thought possible. Remember, if you want to dive deeper into the world of storytelling and presentation skills, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos, packed with valuable tips and insights to help you become a more engaging and effective presenter. Join our community of storytellers, and let's embark on this journey together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.